5 Best Impact Trenches. Here is the product number 5. Porter Cableps 211 Impact Trench. 7.5 amp motor for heavy-duty applications. 450 feet-pounds of torque. 200 RPM and 700 BPM for speed. 1/2 hog ring anvil for easy socket changes. Here is the product number 4. Ingersoll Rand 231C Impact Trench. Classic, reliable design. Twin hammer mechanism. Adjustable power regulator. Ergonomic 2-piece design. Exclusive impact mechanism. Here is the product number 3. AIRCAT 1/2 inch Impact Trench. 1,400 blows per minute. 2-year parts and labor warranty. Patented quiet technology at 86 decibels. 15% larger rotor creates unmatched power. Here is the product number 2. DEWALT DCF 883B Impact Trench. Compact, lightweight, 3.4 pounds, design. 3 LED lights with 20-second delay. Hog ring anvil to easily change sockets. Textured anti-slip comfort grip. Here is the product number 1. DEWALT DCF 899 HB Impact Trench. Brushless motor for superior performance. Tool length 8.81 inch. Power tool type cordless. 3-speed selector switch for control. LED work light. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.